All these are baking pans. We have them in different sizes, different shapes. We still have some other shapes apart from all the ones we have here. Like we have the triangle, we have the square, we have different types of shapes and sizes. This is the smallest size so far. It's actually used for bento cake. It's the smallest size. It's used for bento cake. And this is 6 inches. All these ones are 8 inches. This is long. All these are round. This also is 8 inches. This is 10 inches. And this one is used for cupcake. This is used for cupcake. So the pan is actually made for muffin, to make muffin cakes, but we can also use it for cupcake. So if we want to use it for cupcake, we need to put this inside. We need to put it inside so that we can have our batter in it to make our cupcake. So our batter is going to stay in the cup like that. This is the cup. So we are pouring our batter inside it like this, and when it's done, we can bring it out to make our cupcake. So these are different sizes and different shapes of baking pan. Our measurements for baking pans, they are also different from each other. Like this bento pan, this smallest one, the height is 3 inches. This is how to measure the height of any pan, any size, any shape of pan. This is how to measure the height, the height of the pan. You bend it like this, then you put your... So the height of the pan is measured like this. The height of this particular pan is 3 inches. And this is 4 inches. The wide is 4 inches. It simply means that this particular pan is 3 by 4 inches. This is 3 by 4 pan. 3 by 4. 3 inches by 4 wide. 3 heights, 4 wide. This one is 4 inches. This is 4 inches tall and 6 inches wide. This is 4 inches tall and 6 inches wide. If you want to bake inside any pan at all, you want to bake inside pan like this or any other pan, the batter inside it is not supposed to get to the brim. It's not supposed to get to the brim here. We have to give space for the batter to rise like this. As this one is 4 inches, as this one is 4 inches like this, as this is 4 inches, we can make the batter, we can pour the batter to 2 inches or 2.5. Then the remaining space will be okay for the batter to rise so that it won't fall, the batter will not fall out. The same thing in this also. The same thing in this. We have to leave space. As this is 3 inches, we can just do 1.5 inches batter or 2 inches batter. 1.5 inches is okay so that there will be room for rising so that it won't fall out. The same thing for this. This is 8 inches. This is 8 by 3.5. This is 3.5, and this is 8 inches. This one is 8 inches by 3.5. So if you have to bake inside this particular pan, as it is 3.5, you can just put the batter to get up to 2.5 or 2 inches, so that the remaining space for it will be okay for the batter to rise, so that it won't fall out. So same thing in this. This is a bigger size. This is a bigger size. This is 10 inches. This is 10 inches wide, and for